If your door won't latch right, it's probably messing with your day way more than it should. Alright, so first off, check the strike plate on the door frame. It might be out of whack or loose, which stops the latch from catching properly. Grab a screwdriver and tighten those screws or nudge the plate a bit so the latch slides in smoothly. If that doesn't work, peek at the latch mechanism itself. Sometimes dirt or wear can jam it up. Try spraying a little lubricant like WD-40 on the latch to loosen things up, but don't go overboard. If it's still stubborn, you might need to swap out the whole latch mechanism, which is easier than it sounds and can save you from a lot of frustration. Also, make sure the door isn't sagging or misaligned because that can totally throw off the latch's ability to catch right. You can fix a sagging door by tightening hinges or even shimming them, which just means putting thin pieces of wood behind the hinge. Lastly, keep an eye out for weather changes that can swell wood doors and make latching harder. Sometimes sanding down the edge a little can help if the door's sticking. One of the biggest issues with doors that won't latch is a misaligned strike plate, which happens when the latch and plate don't line up perfectly. Fix this by loosening screws and repositioning the plate until it fits snug. Another common problem is a worn-out latch mechanism. When it's old or broken, replacing it with a new one designed for your door type is the way to go. The third mistake people run into is ignoring door sag or frame warping. If your door droops or doesn't sit level, tightening hinge screws or adding shims behind hinges can get things back on track and stop the latch from missing its mark. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right. Contractors get a steady stream of work there too, so everyone wins when you're fixing up your place.